in the description. I am intrigued, Christian, with your cooking, man. I mean, the pictures of yourself on Instagram, and it's just, I mean, I come from a background where I did appreciate good food, and I know a little bit about it. And if I wasn't so scared of knives, I'd probably be a chef myself.
That'd be great.
with slightly more coordination, I'd probably do well, but I don't trust myself with a knife. So, but I do want to hear about, you know, it feels to me like that's a future goal for you.
It's kind of a full circle with the whole, like when I mentioned when I got to Palm Springs and I couldn't play music, I started writing. When I got to Sacramento, and even writing became a challenge, what option was there slightly artistic that I could make money at and have some security and whatnot? So, and in the recovery sense, help people and things, just feel without ingesting.
Right.
So, service industry.
Yeah.
So it just all like made sense. There's art involved. There was that athleticism to it. The like I said, the buttheads that were raging in their own rock star world, because all this shit collides at this point. The Sacramento has the farm to fork capital, city of trees. The chefs out here are on a completely different level. The day I walked into rehab, I grabbed a local magazine thing, and it was this chef out here with Shock G, R.I.P. They were doing a pop-up collabo, pop-up dinner, you know, and I remember that just striking me as, oh, this hip-hop artist, technically poet, is working with this chef, and they're doing a one-night only, almost spoken food thing, you know?
Right.
I just coined a term there. I don't know how that's going to work, but whatever. But
we'll put a trademark in the description.
Coming soon.
We got it on film, buddy. We got it on film. We're safe.
Yeah, perfect.
Unfortunately, I own it now, so.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, but yeah. So it was a trip because, you know, it was another batch of cool kids for me to chase around or whatever. But at the same time, I was like, man, these guys are really doing this thing.